2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, center armrest, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, compass, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror, steering wheel controls, speed control, low tire pressure warning. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.